जों जतन मा appeal मा खालायो त्रिपुरा नो जों दिनै 55 years आंदोलन खालाय फायो ताबो जर जों बखा के स्रांगै जोंनि जातिनो उकक नो मा सावो you are all invited to come together and fight for our survival abo जों जतन मा कोयो এবং we will be appealing every individual intellectual educated farmer laborer जतन जों kaisa family ni borok we treat everybody as a member of one family এবং one family te chung nuno bono ang accept khai my movement will be a failure. It should have no significance until and unless I agree and consider every indigenous man belongs to one family. I want to appeal a message to our Tripura Sarogno, I want to sanani mujumu. Nini bakati klaidi. Nung Tripura sa nini bakati klaidi. We are inviting you.